And this number has further increased in 23 and 24. Out of this number, 1 crore domestic consumer had consumed less than 200 units per month. Thus, there are over 1 crore domestic consumers consuming less than 200 units per month, and these consumers are eligible for availing the free power up to 200 units under Guruva Jyoti scheme. This is what we all know, sir. Sir, under Guruva Jyoti scheme implemented from 1st March 2024 for providing 200 units for free electricity, the finance minister Saab says that 45 lakh 81,676 zero bills were issued and the DISCOM were reimbursed with rupees 583 crores up to 30th of June 2024, sir. He says this, sir. However, the Social Economic Survey, page number 91, points out that a total of 1.37 crore zero electricity bills were generated under Guruva Jyoti scheme till 30th June 2024. This is almost 3 times the figure cited in the budget speech. 3 times, sir. तो आप बढ़ के बता रहे हैं, नहीं बता रहे, कम बता रहे, मैं बढ़ के बता रहा हूं. Sir, I really don't understand, sir. Sir, now going further ahead, sir, the policy note of demand for grants of Energy Department mentioned that under Guruva Jyoti scheme, a total of 1.79 crore zero bills were issued and the amount reimbursed to DISCOM was 643.86 crores, sir. Sir, Bhatti Saab says in his speech, Guruva Jyoti scheme has been allocated 2,418 crores in budget for the year 24-25, excluding the allocation under SC, ST, SDF. But as per the budget book on energy demand, I am also, the demand number 35, page 29, sir. I am mentioning the page also. The budget estimate for the scheme is only rupees 1,825 crores, sir. Sir, I really fail to understand, sir. What are the bureaucrats, what are the departments doing? Are they not studying the numbers? Sir, similarly, huge amounts are due from the government departments towards the power consumption, sir. The areas due from the government department have risen. The government departments, sir, have risen from rupees 1,595.37 crores to rupees 28,842.70 crores, sir. From just for the government department. 28,000. So when it is rising, sir, it is true that the financial difficulties of DISCOM are aggravated by the default of the government department in paying their power bill. As per white paper of the government, which was tabled in December 2023, from this, how much has been paid by the government to DISCOM, sir? ये दिए या नहीं दिए? चुप ओल्ड सिटी के पीछे पड़े हुए अदानी को देते बोल के, ये गवर्नमेंट के कलेक्शंस को तो भी अदानी को दे दो भाई, उन्हें कलेक्ट करके दे देता, वो तो भी दे दो. चुप ओल्ड सिटी अदानी बोलते हैं. सर, these dues include huge arrears of 14,193 crores from the lift irrigation project, sir. Huge, sir. Just from the lift irrigation, 14,193, sir. Sir, the government also defaulted in paying committed true-up charges of rupees 14,928 on behalf of the DISCOM. So the government has been providing the subsidy for the free power for farm sector and other section of society. However,